Hello and welcome. I'm Cici, your guide for today, and I'm thrilled to give you an inside look at our factory, where we create top-notch accessories for sweeping robots and vacuum cleaners. After a scenic 40 minutes drive from our office, we've arrived at the heart of the Techtongbo's operation in Chuzhou. Step inside with me and witness the symphony of our production line. Meet the artisans of our factory. Each one of them is a master of their craft. And together, they ensure that every accessory we create is a testament to our commitment to quality and innovation. Our obsession with quality is evident in every step of our process. Our quality control team is like a group of guardians, ensuring that every accessory we produce meets our strict standards before it ever reaches the market. From production to packaging, we treat each accessory with the care and attention it deserves. We believe that the devil is in the details, and our attention to details is what makes our accessories the preferred choice for those who demand the best. And here they are, our accessories, ready to be shipped worldwide. At Techtongbo, we've got a simple mission to supercharge your sweeping robots and vacuum cleaners with top-shelf accessories that clean better and make your life easier. Thanks for joining us on this exciting time of Techtongbo's factory. If you are curious to learn more about what goes on behind the scenes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop us a comment down below. We're all ears for your interesting suggestions and can't wait to hear from you.